cowboy saw the rubbish sleeping by the gate. He offered a trip to the tip if we paid the tip charge. But that was Sophie's sculpture, that rubbish there. We made the cowboy buy it. $10 is only fair. The Sophie saw the cowboy leaning on the gate. She offered a tip to the club if she'd pay the door charge. But the cowboy said no. He said he would not go. He said, I like my country music and I fucking hate the disco, and I feel like the garden's full of trippers. I want that Sophie, she's my go-between. I don't know if I'm drowning or waving. This wet season is killing me with all this fucking rain, all this fucking rain, all this fucking rain, fucking rain. The dog eats avocados that fall off the trees. It's a cholesterol-free Labrador, if you please. The ones that aren't ripe yet, he sticks them in his nest. Dog-ripened avocados, we reckon they're the best. The other dog, big and tough, he bit cowboy. He's a kind of fierce dog everyone seems to annoy. Sometimes I think I'll bite him too. Cowboy's always here if I chew off enough little bits. Do you think cowboy will disappear? And I feel like the garden's full of trippers. I want that Sophie, she's my go-between. I don't know if I'm drowning or wading. This wet season is killing me with all this fucking rain, all this fucking rain, all this fucking rain, fucking rain. Raindrops fall. It's the stuff in your bath, that's all. Raindrops fall. All this fucking rain, fucking rain. All this fucking rain. All this fucking rain. All this fucking rain, fucking rain. Cowboy and the Sophie just rode off on his horse. They are off to a nice, dry, happy ending. Left me behind, of course, with all this fucking rain. All this fucking rain. All this fucking